Hello everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve Spotify code. To know how to fix or how to solve Spotify code, you should just go to settings. After that we click apps, default apps, app settings. When you'll find this list, you will enter to the window of Spotify and you will enter. Then this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here we go to click on storage. After that we click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can make errors on your app. Here we go to click Play Store. If you will find update, you can update your app and you can go to uninstall to install again your application to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video.